Cash App. Afterpay lets you split purchases into 4 interest-free payments at thousands of stores. In-store works via the Cash App card, physical debit card, or virtual card in Apple, Google Pay. 1. Set up Cash App Afterpay. Open Cash App. Tap the Card tab, bottom. Scroll to Afterpay. Tap Get Started. Link your Cash App card or order free physical one. Agree to terms. Soft credit check. No impact. Instant approval. Limits $202,000. 2. At the store. Before checkout, open Cash App, Card tab, tap Use, Afterpay, in-store. Enter purchase amount, for example, $120. Choose 4 payments, confirm. App generates a one-time virtual card number, or use physical card. Pay, tap phone, Apple, Google Pay, or swipe, insert physical cash, app card. First 25% debits instantly from your Cash App balance or linked bank. Remaining 3 payments auto-deduct every 2 weeks.